एंकर इन्वेस्टर पिछले 2 साल से न्यूज में है. रिसेंटली द एंकर इन्वेस्टर एग्जिट द पेटीएम. ठीक है, सो दिस वाज द न्यूज. आसान भाषा में एंकर इन्वेस्टर को समझते हैं. इफ लाइक द टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एनी अपकमिंग आईपीओ, so let's take an IPO example. Unacademy is releasing its IPO. One day before the IPO or 2 days before the IPO, they are giving a chance to the people कि आप before releasing the IPO you can take our IPO. Offer आप पहले से ही ले सकते हैं, जितना शेयर आपको लेना है ले सकते हैं. But they are giving some of the condition there. You should hold the IPO for the 2 month, 3 month, 4 month. लेकिन उसमें कंडीशन आई विल टेल यू कि कितना टाइम पीरियड है. देन ऑल्सो दे गिविंग ए कंडीशन, अब इससे पहले सेल नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो द इन्वेस्टर विच आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन अ कंपनी बिफोर रिलीजिंग ऑफ द IPO एंड टेकिंग द शेयर एट द प्राइस established by the company. Like if there is an Unacademy share at 1,000 rupee price, the company is thinking we are released at 1,000 rupee price. So the anchor investor will buy at 1,000 rupee price before releasing in the market. But after releasing in the market, the price is down to 700. That happened with the Paytm, that happened with the Zomato. But the anchor investor is taking at 1,000 rupee at their own risk. Yes, to increase the confidence of the company in the market and to increase the confidence in the retail markets. So these are known as the anchor investor. So let's go to the question first, then we will discuss some of the guidelines, some of the initiative with the anchor investor. Anchor investors are guaranteed an allotment of a share day before the IPO subscription process starts. So this is the definition of the anchor investor. Second, at present, the share issued to the anchor investor are locked in for a period of 60 days from the date of allotment. The lock-in period disallow anchor investor from suddenly selling shares, preventing fluctuation in the fair value. So this is also the condition there. You cannot sell the share for after a particular time ही आप उसको sell कर सकते हैं. So this is about the anchor investor. Let's see some of the things here. Anchor investors are the institutional investors who are allotted share just before an IPO. An anchor investor bound with the lock-in period with the allotment of the company. Here the lock-in period is the 30 days. So the lock-in period for the anchor investor are the 30 days. Institutional investor like the retail investor have an option to start bidding, like a Paytm having multiple investors. So they give a option to them if you want to become an anchor investor. अगर आप पहले ही रिलीज से पहले ही आप अलॉट करना चाह रहे हैं, खरीदना चाह रहे हैं, तो you can take them. In addition, institutional investor also have the option to bid for the share at a predetermined price. Like the Paytm is setting a 1,000 rupee price for their share. So before releasing the share, there is a 6-7 anchor investors. So यहाँ पे बोली लगेंगी 1,000, 1,001, 2, 3, 1200, 1200, 1, 2, 3, 1500. तो इस तरीके से so there will be a bidding. So according to the bidding, the share prices will be determined there for the anchor investor. But two condition, you cannot sell before 13 days and also you will take at a price established by the company there. So there is a lock-in period. Lock-in period is the given 30 days. So please write the 2-3 line about the anchor investors. Anchor investors are guaranteed an allotment of shares a day before the IPO subscription process starts. Anchor investors are bound to hold the share during the lock-in periods, and the lock-in period is 30 days, 30. Okay, so these are the, and this is why for the prevent the fluctuation in the shares in the market, for the prevention of fluctuation of shares in the market. So this is about the anchor investor.